From the cradle of humankind, we are kind humans. Come in, South Africa, surrounded by homegrown greatness.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone, we are from class BA2423C. Today we would like to present and discuss about the factors that affecting the exchange rate of South Africa. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Fitnin Fitria binti Ismail.
My name is Nur Narina Nadia binti Azman.
My name is Nur Shafika binti Muhammad.
My name is Nur Ayuni Najla binti Muhammad Nabi.
South Africa, officially Republic of South Africa (RSA), is the southernmost country in Africa. With over 59 million people, it is the world's 24th most populous nation and covers an area of 471,445 square miles. South Africa has three capital cities, with judicial Bloemfontein, legislative Cape Town, and executive Pretoria. The largest city is Johannesburg. South Africa is the second largest producer of gold and is the world's largest producer of chrome, platinum, manganese, and vanadium. It is also the second largest producer of ilmenite, palladium, rutile, and zirconium. Although mining only accounts for 3% of GDP, down from around 14% in the 1980s, South Africa also has a large agriculture sector and it is a net exporter of farming products. The official currency of South Africa is rand. Rand named from Witwatersrand, which is Johannesburg, are built and where the gold depositors are found. This currency was introduced in Union on 14 February 1961. From that year until 1982, African currency are higher than dollar, but it decreases because of sanctions against the country provoked by the South African policy. During the pre-colonial times, many objects used as the currency like shells, gold, arrowhead, iron, salt, and many more.
This paper used the new open economic microeconomics model as a theoretical framework linking exchange rate volatility, economic openness, and the volatility of exchange rate fundamentals. Secondly, this paper defines a set of variables that help to clarify the preference of exchange rate in South Africa for the period of 2000 until 2019, with employing a time series analysis that briefly explains oil price, inflation rate, interest rate, and also GDP.
Based on the chart, start from 2000 until 2001, the exchange rate was decreased from 0.14 to 0.11 and increased to 0.15 in 2004 and remained constant until 2005. From the year 2005 to 2011, the exchange rate has only a slight differences over the year. Then start 2012 until 2019, there is up and down of the exchange rate for South Africa. Factor exchange rate volatility South Africa, interest rate, inflation rate, oil price, and gross domestic product. Result and analysis. For independent variable, exchange rate ZAR or rand. For dependent variable, interest rate, inflation rate, oil price, and gross domestic product.
Now, let's move to descriptive analysis in this study. Each variable has 20 sets of data, which represent the annual data of 20 years, starts from 2000 until 2019. Exchange rates means indicates the value of South Africa rand is on an average of 0.115867 per US dollar. Likewise, the real interest rate sums up to 4.431443 for 20 years. Meanwhile, the GDP is 2.74076615. Furthermore, the minimum price for oil price is 25.23833, while the maximum is 97.6075. The average oil price for ZAR is 61.583535 across 20 years. The last one is inflation rate. The inflation rate for over 20 years is 5.297912.
Next, I will explain about model summary. For the model summary, interest rate of distribution square is 0.472 which shows that 47.2% of the variation exchange rate variability is explained by oil price, GDP, inflation rate, and real interest rate. Adjusted R-square is negative 0.331, which shows that negative 33.1% of the variation exchange rate variability. Dependent variable is likely to be explained by independent variable.
Frequently, we use ANOVA to test equality among the several means by comparing the variance among groups relative to variance within groups random error. Based on this table, the result, the sum of squared is 0.009, whereas for residual is 0.010, so the total sum of squared is 0.018. For the differential of regression is 4, residual is 15, and total differences is 19. The mean square of regression is 0.002, whereas for residual is 0.001.
Now, let me explain on the correlation analysis data. Firstly, for the inflation rate, there are weak negative relationship with the real interest rate and moderate negative relation with the exchange rate, while the correlation analysis relationship a weak positive with oil price and GDP. Besides, the correlation analysis for real interest rate with oil price is strong negative relationship, while it is a weak positive relationship with the exchange rate and GDP. Next, it is found that the correlation analysis of oil price is a weak positive relationship with the exchange rate and also GDP. Lastly, for the exchange rate, the correlation analysis is a strong positive relationship with GDP.
For the coefficients describe the mathematical relationship between each independent variable and dependent variable. The coefficient analysis data for inflation rate and GDP is 0.033. Next, the coefficient for the real interest rate is 0.004, while for oil price is 0.000.
So now we reach at the conclusion. This study analyzed that the factor that affecting exchange rate of South Africa has affecting the GDP, oil price, interest rate, and inflation rate. Based on multiple regression tests, we found that GDP and oil price have a strong relationship with the exchange rate, while the interest rate and inflation rate does not give a big impact on the exchange rate. We conclude that the changes of the exchange rate to the US dollar not give a good result for the South Africa. It was found that to have some negative impact to South Africa economy.